Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple elements in Weebly. If you're managing a website and need to clean up your page by removing several elements at once, this guide will show you the most efficient way to do it. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your sites. Now, take a look at the left side menu. You'll see an option labeled Website. Click on it, and directly underneath, you'll find Edit Site. Go ahead and click that as well. This will bring up a list of all the websites you've created with Weebly. From this list, choose the website you want to edit. Once you've selected it, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click on that button to open the editor page for your website. This is where you'll be making all your changes. Now that you're in the editor, there's something important you need to know before proceeding. Weebly doesn't actually provide a native multi-select feature that allows you to delete several elements simultaneously with a single bulk delete button. This means you can't simply select multiple elements scattered across your page and delete them all at once. However, there's a workaround that makes the process much easier. The best option is to gather all the elements you want to delete and place them together in one section. Think of it like organizing items into a group before removing them. This way, you can manage them more efficiently. Once you've moved all the elements you want to delete into one section, click on that section to select it. With the section selected, you'll see a delete option appear. Click delete, and all the elements within that section will be removed together. This approach saves you from having to delete each element individually, which can be time-consuming if you have many items to remove. And there you have it. While Weebly doesn't offer a true multi-select delete feature, grouping your elements into one section before deleting gives you a much faster way to clean up your website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.